my alarm, and I have a toxic relationship.
Alert! You have snoozed 3 times. Your productivity is in danger.
Emma, get up. We have plans.
Let me suffer for 5 more minutes.
Warning. 5 more minutes usually means 20.
Champ, don't expose me like that.
Would you like a motivational quote or coffee recommendation?
Both, but make it quick.
Morning workout done. No pain, no gain.
No cardio, no suffering.
I made it. Barely survived my wake-up struggle.
Survival confirmed. Calories burned. 2. Motivation level. Still loading.
Let's hit the cafe and plan our day like responsible adults.
Translation: let's chill with lattes instead of being productive.
Factually correct.
All right, let's plan a productive day.
First, brunch. Then, maybe productivity.
I have meetings. Then I'm in full hustle mode.
I have a date with my bed.
Correction. You have 3 pending tasks. Should I ignore them for you?
You get me, champ?
Okay, let's be real. How do we actually stick to a good routine?
Answer. 1. Start small. 2. Be consistent. 3. Reward yourself.
So basically, set alarms, show up, and bribe yourself with coffee.
I like step 3.
Today was solid. Gym, work, friends. Felt like a good balance.
Routine success. 80%. Would you like to reflect on what went well?
Nah, I'll overthink it at 2 a.m.
Confirmed. Classic human behavior.
Good night, champ.
Until your next life crisis, Emma.